ano, tuwa ba ang everybody na nagkaroon na ng bills payment services and also nagkaroon na rin ng e-loading? Natuwa ba ang karamihan doon sa nilaunch natin this week? O, di po ba? Balikan na ninyo yung mga nag-doubt. Because kami sa corporate team, awa ng Diyos, hindi natitibag ang aming paniniwala that eDealmo has these digital services like remittance, bills payment, e-loading, shopping, e-commerce, ticketing, dropshipping, and delivery service. Lahat po yan, may awa ang Diyos, ilo-launch po natin. That's the e-loading part. And also our winning products, Kauri White Glucogen C, Extreme Vitality Coffee Burn. Unahin natin si Coffee Burn with the slimming formula that we have, weight loss, appetite suppression, increased energy, and improved metabolism, antioxidant benefits, better digestion, detoxification, reduced water retention, stimulates fat oxidation, and convenience. Sa karamihan po na nagbigay ng feedback, yung iba kapag nagsi-CR halos 10 minuto pataas, 30 minutos daw yung iba isang oras. But with Coffee Burn, puputi ka na, mag-i-slim ka pa pag ikaw ay may convenience pa na nasa CR, ang bilis-bilis lang malabas yung toxic waste, meaning to say you are becoming more healthy person. So dapat yun talaga, Coffee Burn lagi. Huwag pong mawawala ang mura-mura, lalo na sa mga nakailit. With these active ingredients, marine collagen, stevia, psyllium husk fiber, Garcinia, Cambodia, green tea extract, and hyaluronic acid, and probiotics, inulin, yan po yung mga active ingredients ni Coffee Burn. That's why very effective. Wait, ito pa po ang inaabangan ng karamihan. Regenerate Plus. Gusto na ba ng lahat makatikim nito? Well, wag po kayong mawawala sa mga upcoming Zoom natin. Merong pasisimplihan tayo. Malay nyo, magpa-promo ang ating mabait na CEO. Meron po tayo matitikman yan, don't you worry. Because Regen 8, it boosts natural wellness, rich in essential nutrients, and perfect for our busy lifestyle. Ganyan po katindi that it transforms our daily routine sa pagiging quick, healthy, and delicious drink na meron tayo at ang body natin marirefresh. Magkakaroon na naman ng parabang younger self ka. Why? Sino ba si Regen 8? Opo, Apple stem cell siya na para din nung ating flagship kasi it will revitalize our health naturally. Anti-aging po. It boosts immunity, heart health din. Naaayos po niya with digestive health, focus, at saka yung eye health. Gumaganda rin po. And then antioxidant, skin renewal, and energy. Alam niyo po ba na ang green apple kapag bumagsak po sa lupa yan, nagtataka ang mga farmers, buwan na ang lumilipas, green pa rin ang labas ng apple na green versus red na apple. So, way back year 50s and 60s, nagtaka sila bakit ganon. Yun pala yun. Ang stem cell and even the barks of the tree of the green apple ay matagal palang manuyot, mag-aging. So, here comes the experts and scientists and mga medico-legal. Finormulate nila ang apple in stem cell, and thanks God, eDealmo Pretty Nova has now Regen 8 Plus. Pinapalakpakan po yan. At sa mga papalakpak, tandaan natin si EO kung sino yung mga pumalakpak na yan para sa next Zoom. Makatikim ang dapat makatikim. Emoticon clap for R8 Plus quiz. Sige, i-screenshot natin yung mga nag-emoticon clap na yan. Thank you. Excited na rin ang karamihan talaga, even abroad. Gustong-gusto nila matikman itong si ating R8 Plus. Now, with Kauri White Glucogen C, the benefits, it has the power antioxidant, supports immune function, detoxification, anti-aging, liver health, it improves in skin tone and growth of hair and nails, enhances the exercise's performance, and it supports mental clarity and may reduce risk of chronic diseases. Paano ba naman? The active ingredients is L-glutathione, sodium ascorbate, marine collagen, rosehip extract, and zinc. These are the ingredients na kung titignan ninyo, well, mamahal ng mga to, itong mga ingredients na to. Pero, With Pretty Nova, pinagsama-sama namin yan. With Japan formulation, isinilang si Kaori White Glutagen C. Now, we're introducing to you our Legacy Alkaline Vitamin C. Bakit ba kailangan natin at i-choose si Legacy? Anti-aging kasi, antioxidant din, with immune system booster. Very, very soon na po ito. Ano po? Kasi with high-grade quality na carefully formulated for maximum absorption. Meron pong mga vitamin C na hindi masyadong na-absorb and hindi effective. That's why our power defense against illness and acidity, it's Legacy. Coming soon na po yan. Grabe, ano po, sodium ascorbate and camu-camu berry, pinagsama po, and that neutralizes the stomach acid unlike regular ascorbic acid. Yung camu-camu po is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, enhancing immune support. Pansin nyo, yung mga products natin, puro immunity, pampaganda ng health natin at simpang longevity ng ating body. Makaiwas lang sa hospitalization. Grabe ang itutulong ng mga products. Why choose Legacy? Because it has this fruit. Because camu-camu is considered a nutritional superfood powerhouse. Actually, yung camu-camu, ni-research ko, ang lupit pala niya. Pang number 2 siya na pinakamabisang source ng vitamin C. Grabe pala tong ating Legacy, no? Itong vitamin C natin. Meron pa, rich in vitamin C and helps with the heart health. Boosts immunity, powerful antioxidant properties, and it also neutralizes acidity, fights GERD and ulcers. Scientifically backed up link to reduce risk of diseases caused by acidity. So napag-aralan po ng mga expert ito that it could reduce acid reflux and balances body pH, promoting overall health. And gentle on the stomach, ideal for daily use even for sensitive digestion. So yung mga sensitive po sa ascorbic acid, pwedeng-pwede kasi alkaline po ito. Let us take control of our health today. Protect ourselves from acidity. Choose Legacy Alkaline Vitamin C. Ito po it prevents acid buildup with while strengthening the immune system. Why po nasasabi natin ito? Because there are thousands of research and studies coming from PubMed, the acidic environment and cancer. Yan po ay napag-aralan. That's why we badly need to have vitamin C, but not just vitamin C. It should be Legacy. Now, let's go ahead and talk about the flagship product of Pretty Nova. It is called Extreme Vitality. We are very, very proud of this one. And we are going to expect as well, coming from Regen 8 Plus, na magkakaroon din ng the same effect and feedbacks, testimonies as well, doon sa mga makakainom nun. Because with our flagship product, it has this unique blend of extreme vitality with the stem cell deer placenta. Most powerful juice drink na nasa market today. Yan pong extreme vitality natin with 18 powerful active ingredients. Saan ka pa? And mind you guys, sa mga dengue ngayon na nangyayari sa mga ospital, gusto ko nga po sana may magpa-testimony ulit. Kasi even before meron po, itatakbo na lang sa ospital, hindi natuloy. Bakit? Pinainom lang po ng kakaunting extreme vitality, sumigla ang bata. Deer placenta 50,000 with Jaugulan herb. Thank you so much. Yung Jaugulan herb natin with ultimate adaptogen po yan. Yan po yung kumbaga herb of immortality, itong Jaugulan. Yung adaptogen naman po, ito yung nagpapababa ng stress natin. Yung saponins naman po, yan po yung natural antibiotic. So goodbye na tayo doon sa mga synthetic na nagpapasama ng ating liver and kidney. With saponins, with Jaugulan na kasama sa extreme vitality, gumaganda po ang takbo ng ating kalusugan, refraining from synthetic medicines. It also balances our energies. May insulin response po ito that helps the body use insulin and body glucose tolerance. May free radical damage, nagre-reduce po ito sa body natin kapag meron kayong intake regularly ng extreme vitality. Ito po, very evident, anti-fatigue. BP, sabi po si Josh Matthew, kapag nainom siya, nagiging energetic. Explain ko po sa inyo mamaya, bakit yung pagod, hindi nagiging patig ang kanyang pakiramdam. Explain natin kung bakit ganyang kalupit si Extreme Vitality. And also, it has this beneficial effects on normal heart health function. Yung blood pressure po, nagiging normal range na lang. And it promotes also normal cell growth and supports healthy antibody levels. Kasi po, it helps to lighten up mood and brighten the spirit that adjusts to all types of stress. So lahat po ng mga ito is nasa extreme vitality natin. It has this immune system on its optimum level. Inflammation response is very high, kaya nanuneutralize din, na-maintain yung cholesterol and blood lipids. Mental function, nakafocus din po dyan ng ating Extreme Vitality with concentration and sharpness. Kapag nakainom po kayo niyan, tama si Mr. Josh Matthew Polly, nagiging focus siya sa kanyang sport. Yung Extreme Vitality po, it supports brain cell health with nutritional support of mental and neurological repair function. It supports the energy levels function at cellular level. Ang Extreme Vitality po, it is also as the digestive tonic. Digestive function is getting better, more active. Meaning to say, ano man po ang sensitivity ng inyong digestive tract, hindi po ito maaapektuhan ni Extreme Vitality. Para siyang digestive tonic. And also, ito pa po ang malupit. Ang Extreme Vitality, it helps to balance or enhance yung overall health. Tapos, ibinuboost pa niya ang libido ng men or women. Sino man po ang namumroblema sa kanilang pag-aanak or pagbubuntis, you may try Extreme Vitality. It supports your long-term sexual wellness. Lalo na hindi pa nagkakaanak, regularly intake that kasi ibabalanse niya po ang inyong hormonal imbalance. And, ito po, to summarize everything, yung aronia berry kasama ng acai berry and goji berry and jagulan herb and deer placenta with barley, with resveratrol and zinc, purple corn, ginseng, blue ternate, camu-camu, lycopene, mangosteen, beetroot, rhodiola root, and stevia. Kaya it provides that high level of antioxidants and nutrients. It also promotes eye health, establishes blood sugar, heart health. Naulit na lang part na to just to summarize everything. It improves cellular health. Kapag po ang pinagmumulan ng sakit ay pinupuntirya ni Extreme Vitality, juice lang naman yan, hindi gamot. Kasi minsan, yung mga synthetic drug hindi na effective sa sakit. Baka kasi nadi-disregard na yung mga cells. So, welcome dapat nila yung mga gustong umukay ang pakiramdam na hindi mapaliwanag, at kahit yung pinapaliwanag ng doktor, i-welcome nila sa body nila sa Extreme Vitality because it improves cellular health. Ganyan po katindi si Extreme Vitality, and may awaan Diyos yun din na makukuha nating testimonies sa Regen 8+. Ganyan po kalupit ang ating mga products. Ano po? Pero ano ba ang meron sa goji berry? Bakit sinama nyo po, VP? Kasi po may polysaccharides po yung goji berry. It acts as anti-aging, anti-diabetic, anti-fibrotic. Ang lupit po ng goji berry. Isang example ko po niyan, binilang ko po ang tatay ko ng pure goji berry after 2 bottles. Abay, awan ng Diyos, ang ganda ng pangakatawan ng tatay namin na akala namin bibitaw na. And now, talagang may lakas naman po ngayon. And that has been 2 years back. Kaya sabi ko, ang ating Extreme Vitality kailangan may goji berry. And there you go. Ang ating Extreme Vitality may goji berry. Ito po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. The goji berry is so powerful that it targets every cell of the body, resulting to optimum health. Pinapatalino po ni goji berry ang ating pong mga cell because of glycoproteins. Alam ng cell na ngayon kung papapasukin niya ay yung nutrients talaga. So with Extreme Vitality, tatalino ang cellulars natin, ang cells. Alam kasi ng cell kung toxin yan, or virus, or bacteria. Kapag wala kang Extreme Vitality, nagiging parang tanga-tangahan ng cell natin. Kapag kumain tayo ng junk foods, mga free radicals, kapag kumain tayo ng mga hindi marapat sa katawan, welcome lang ng welcome ang ating cell. But, thanks God, we have now extreme vitality, patatalinuhin niya po ang cell. So, it would result that our body is will be on the optimum health. Gusto niyo po ba yon? Kasi dito sa atin, ang baba ng presyo, pag yan napunta sa kamay ng malalaking company, hindi na po yan masa. You better believe me. Kita nyo po ang ating mga references from Chinese journals, mga herbal journal po, na matagal nang pinag-aaralan ng mga magagaling po sa herbs. Marami po yan. And with the scientific studies, when we say scientific studies po, pinuna na nila ang dapat punahin. Hinanapan na nila ng butas kung ito ba'y placebo effect lang or wala lang. No, sir. No, ma'am. With the National Library of Medicine governed by Ministry of Health of America, ito po yung clinical studies that has been proven and tested. Look at this. Jaugulan herb, guys. Coaches, mentors. 570 scientific studies. Acai berry, 532 scientific studies. Goji berry, 1,820 scientific studies. Ito yung mga studies na ginanap po ng National Library of Medicine. Mga medical experts po yung mga doctors. So, since 1836 pa po, sa Amerika, pinag-aaralan na nila ang maraming herbs. And thanks God, these mga ingredients na to kasama sa Extreme Vitality and Regin 8. Na-excite din ako sa Regin 8. Apple stem cell. Lahat po kasi sila anti-aging. Di po ba? And with the scientific studies, hindi masasayang ang pera. Nakaka-proud ng mga products na ito. Effective man, pero nasa sa inyo pa rin po if you want to still consult your physician. Sa dami po ng testimonies natin, sana lahat po ganun din ang effect sa lahat. Ano po? Ngayon, gusto ko na mag-start. Vice, ang ganda pala ng business ninyo. Mag-direct selling lang pala ako, hindi na ako mapapahiya.